Time is one of the most precious resources we possess. Unlike money or material goods, it cannot be earned back once it is spent. Each moment that passes is gone forever, making every second uniquely valuable. Recognizing the finite nature of time encourages us to be more intentional with how we use it. By understanding its true worth, we set the foundation for making choices that enrich our lives. This perspective is essential for appreciating why making every second count truly matters. Time plays a pivotal role in shaping our everyday experiences. It governs how we organize our tasks, impacting productivity and the ability to achieve our goals. The way we allocate time also affects our relationships, determining the quality and depth of our connections with others. Personal growth is closely tied to how we invest our hours, as learning new skills or pursuing passions requires dedicated commitment. By understanding and managing time effectively, we can create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Ultimately, time is both a resource and a framework that guides our choices and priorities. Many people find themselves wasting time through habits like excessive social media scrolling, procrastination, or engaging in unproductive conversations. Other common time wasters include binge-watching television, constantly checking emails, or getting lost in trivial tasks that offer little value. When we fail to recognize the importance of each moment, opportunities for growth, learning, and meaningful connections can slip away. Over time, this can lead to feelings of regret, stress, and a sense of unfulfilled potential. Not valuing our time may also impact our productivity and overall well-being, making it harder to achieve personal and professional goals. By becoming more mindful of how we spend our time, we can make choices that enrich our lives and help us move closer to what truly matters. Maximizing your time begins with setting clear priorities. By identifying the most important tasks, you can focus your energy where it matters most. Avoiding distractions is equally essential. This might mean silencing notifications, creating a dedicated workspace, or setting specific times to check emails. Practicing mindfulness can also help you stay present and engaged with each activity, reducing the urge to multitask. Together, these strategies not only boost productivity, but also contribute to a greater sense of accomplishment and well-being. Making every second count can have a profound impact on our lives over time. By valuing each moment, we create opportunities to move closer to our goals, no matter how big or small they may be. Consistently using our time wisely helps us build habits that lead to personal growth and success. Over the long term, this approach not only increases our productivity, but also enhances our sense of purpose and satisfaction. Ultimately, embracing the importance of each second allows us to live more intentionally and enjoy a richer, more fulfilling life. As we reach the end of this journey, take a moment to consider how you spend your time each day. Every minute offers an opportunity to make meaningful choices, pursue your passions, or connect with others. Reflect on the routines and habits that shape your life, and ask yourself if they truly align with your values and aspirations. By becoming more mindful of how you use your time, you can begin to prioritize what matters most. Remember, the present moment is a gift. Cherish it and take small intentional steps to make the most of every day.